Okay, this one's going to be short and sweet. We're just going to go over what your customer sees. It's worth noting that there is a lot to Allmoxy, especially the employee and owner side. I mean, there's all of this stuff. That might scare some people, but your customers are not going to see all of that. Let's log in and see what they'll see and talk a little bit about why. So I'm just going to come over here and log out, and this demo site lets me log in as a customer. So I'm going to do that. Okay, so you'll notice it's very simple. They have the ability to create and import orders on their homepage, see their company info, look at their old orders, and manage that whole thing. They have tutorials. They can get to their settings, which is very stripped down, just their company settings and payment methods. They do have some reports. They can get to the 3D designer, and they can see their own orders. Plus, we've thrown in some productivity tools, so if they want to create custom workflows, they can. Other than that, it's just everything they need to manage themselves, and that's it.